I know we've been getting lots of questions, especially this time of the semester, about measuring student outcomes, whether it be a quiz, a test, and most frequently midterm. So we're going to start by just talking a little bit about the traditional test and quiz tools. And then, of course, we have Kelly here. So later in our Q&A session, if you have specific questions about using the tool that goes along with this pedagogical choice, that you'll be able to ask all types of questions. And so I want to talk a little bit about those things that I think we most typically as faculty want to know. Are our students acquiring the knowledge? That could be as simple as, are they completing the readings? And what level of knowledge are they acquiring from lectures, from interactions with other students, from field-based experiences, from text? That second level would be skill acquisition and application. So what are the best ways to use these assessment tools to measure skill development and also the application of course content to career, to real world, to research. And then finally, I think there's that notion that we often ask students to make connections. That's just another way to take the content to a more sophisticated or in-depth understanding. So there are typically these three emphases in terms of what are the best alignment or fit to quiz and test. So we want to remind you that if you are going to assess or measure knowledge acquisition, the quiz and test tools are readily available in Blackboard, and they have the options of sort of the lower level comprehension and understanding of multiple choice, true and false, and matching. And then the short answer and essays can help us measure a little bit more sophistication or complexity in our students' acquisition of knowledge. This is a really great tool to even measure whether or not students are reading what we assign, but more importantly, are they understanding? Without us having our regular face-to-face meetings, how are they faring in their understanding of the course content that they are learning online? The second is the idea of using the quiz tool for a little bit more higher level understanding, skill acquisition and application. And so for all my colleagues in visual performing arts, mathematics, science, and even in other traditional content knowledge base, the skill acquisition is equally as important and can be used